This will walk you through the steps of joining your group and then joining a BigBlueButton conference. Let me set the stage. This is a simulated class called BigBlueButton Training. And I am masquerading as Paul McCartney. And I see when I log onto the home page that I belong to a group. The group is called Dead Rabbits. So I will click on the group. And now I have the home page. There are a couple of conferences here. I'm just going to choose one. But before I do, just know that this is the home page. This page is for announcements. Forget the menu item pages for the moment. The People menu command shows you who is in the group. You have discussions, and here is where someone can post a discussion on the meeting time, for instance, and then decide when can anybody get together for a conference. And John Lennon adds, how about 4 p.m.? And Paul McCartney comes back and says, yeah, 4 p.m. works for me. And so on and so forth. You can reach a consensus on when to have a meeting and communicate that to your instructor. Forget the files area and forget collaborations for now. Let's just go to conferences. And conferences shows a couple of meetings that are in progress. I'm going to choose this one. Forget this one. I'm going to choose this one. And when I click on Join the Conference, the BigBlueButton application opens. And you can allow your microphone and then test it right away. When you click Test or Change your microphone should be working. You should be able to hear your voice in the background. You may have to allow flash, as I just did, and then hear your voice in the background. Go ahead and close that now. And then you can turn that off and join the audio. Now your audio was already on, and as you can see, Professor Gummas is already logged on in his instance, and so you can join in the audio. Your audio is working. You can also turn on your webcam. And in turning on your webcam, hopefully this will take. It may not, because I am using the webcam in this application right now. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to share my webcam, but just take my word for it. You can start sharing your webcam. Now, your instructor may change the layout, like so. And when your instructor does, you'll have two images. You'll have the image of yourself, Paul McCartney, and you'll have the image of the instructor, as you're seeing just now. I want you to steer clear of this area down here. Don't touch that. It is for the lead instructor, it is for the lead presenter to be able to control which layout you're going to see at any given time. So this is the meeting layout. This is the webinar layout. Let me go back to the default layout. You have a chat window on the right where you can type messages. And basically, you just continue with this whole thing until you're done. And when you're done, you just leave the meeting. You leave the meeting by clicking Log Out. And you are out of the conference. So I've just gone back to the Dead Rabbits conferences page. Here's the home page again. To get back to the main course, you hit BigBlueButton Training. And that is how you get into a conference.